So sometimes you hear people complain about their airtime, that they bought airtime but they didn't know where the airtime went to. The time they realized the airtime wasn't there anymore. So this is a problem that a whole lot of people are facing. So if you are one of the people facing this kind of trouble, then the main reason that could cause this is maybe you subscribe to a certain service on your network that you are not aware of. So if that's your problem, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you see all your subscription in every network that you are using, whether MTN, AirtelTigo, or Telecel here in Ghana. So if that's your problem, then stay with me till the end of the video. So first of all, if you are using MTN, then this is what you will do. On your dial pad, dial *175# and then send. And after that, you see all options over there, and then the first option, which is my subscription, that's what we are going in for. So you select one, and as you see, mine is no subscription available. It means that I don't have any subscription available on my phone. But yours, if you see any subscription over there, it means that that is what you subscribe to. So this is what you do. You select the number against that subscription and you can take it off. So that's how you remove it on MTN. So if you are on AirtelTigo too, this is what you do. You dial *100#. Then you send. Then you go in for option number 3, which is usage and subscription history. And after that, you go in for option number 5 or option number 7. So when you go in for option number 5, and here is mine, your request is being processed. You will be notified soon. So they will send me a message telling me whether I've subscribed or not. Now my message has come, so let's check the message. As you can see, dear customer, no record for product subscription. It means that I haven't subscribed to anything on AirtelTigo. So that is how you check on MTN and AirtelTigo. Then on Telecel, you dial *463#, then you send. So here we have 3 options. You can see my subscriptions, and you go for the first option, which is my subscription. And here you can see I'm subscribed to one service, which is Healthline. So I don't need it. I have to do away with it. So I'll select one and send. And here it is telling me that I should check the price, so I'll go for option 2, which is unsubscribe. And it is asking me, am I sure? Yes, I'm sure. So I'll select one and I'm good to go. You have successfully unsubscribed to Healthline. So this is how you do it on Telecel too. So there you have it. Next time when you are finding yourself in such a situation, use this code to redeem yourself. This is Hassan. Don't forget to follow me for more tips.